Hello all, this is Professor Natus. The purpose of this video is to walk you through how to complete the in-text citation practice that is your homework for the next class. To start, what I would like you to do is actually go to the second page of your handout, which is the list of sources in the sample works cited page. What I would like you to do is, using your cursor, I would like you to highlight in any color you prefer, the first word of every single citation in the works cited page. So please notice how I am doing this here. Notice the first four sources are author names, and the only thing I am highlighting would be the author's last name. Then notice that this last source is an article title. It does not have an author's name, but I am still highlighting the first word of that citation. Once step one is complete, I would like you to go to the previous page with the in-text citation examples, and what I would like you to do is match this source with the first word highlighted in yellow from the works cited page. So I'm going to walk you through example number 1, and then you will complete numbers 2 through 5 on your own. So for number 1, if I'm looking at what the name of this source is, I am going to highlight, again in yellow, that the name of this source is Pew Research Center. So I go back to my works cited page, I look for Pew Research Center. Now remember that sources are listed alphabetically, so I should see it in between this source here with L and this one with PU. And yet I don't see it anywhere here, which tells me I have an issue. So now what I need to do is scan the works cited sources for where I do see Pew Research Center, and that comes up here in the second source. So I will highlight this in a different color. I will highlight this in green. So now step 3 is to look at what the first word actually is, which is the author's last name, Leonard. Go back up to my in-text citation and add the author's last name in parentheses afterward. The last thing I need to do is double check my punctuation, so I'm going to move the period to the end. Please continue with the other 4. If you have any questions, please see your Little Seagull handbook. Thank you and have a great day.